There you go. Video number 14. Try and get around here. This is the roof that was on the front of the entrance. One of the entrances. That was by the gym. Let me see if I can get back over here where I was. There you go. Between the two kids, I just heard not too long ago, have been being in this building. Do not go into this building, period. It is dangerous and unsafe for kids. Do not go into this building. Yes, you will miss this building, but do not go into the building whatsoever. Your life is in danger. This is a demolition area. 24-hour surveillance is done in the construction areas. Sun's trying to come out, but it's not. I'm not gonna let me get fooled because it's still windy and cold. As long as it ain't snowing, I'm good. They're working their way to the front, so I got time to see if I can have some things carefully saved, architectural that I showed you in the last video or two of what I'm trying to have saved for the school historical purposes. That's the 3 architectural things above the old window, and the long architectural that's above the doorway. If I ever get that saved, I'll let you all know. Here we go. You saw that up there. So you decided to grab that. The windows that were up there are already gone. Trying to take care of things that are up there before they bring down the roof portion. You can see there's pipes underneath it and stuff. Here we go. Dang, that is crazy. Dude, wow. Never knew this would ever happen way in the distant past, but this is crazy. got this. He's making way so he can get through. Standing takes its toll, but I gotta do what I gotta do to bring this to you, my subscriber / viewers. Nice, just cleaning up the area. So you can bring more down. That's weird. That's crazy, just hanging there. Wow. The roof is hanging by wire. Barbed wire, that is. And concrete. Barbed wire and concrete. Yes, for those who want to know it, this area is secured by a 24-hour camera. Do not go into this building. It is under demolition. Means it's dangerous to go into. It is filled with asbestos still and mold. Do not want to get that on your clothes because you will get. It's just not good. Yeah, they weren't here this last Friday, so they're making up for all that. And then they had a holiday. Half of the workers are Hispanic, so they were having a holiday the 1st and 2nd of the month, November, remembering the family that passed away. They're off for that. Was laying on the Friday, so yeah, very, very interesting. You have have any memories of the school, attending it, feel free to put your story in the comments. I love listening to the stories of those ex-students that attended the school. I was one of them. I don't have the exact connection to the school longer than most of you guys had that can't stand to watch these videos or watch, or if you're on a local Facebook group, you leave the group because you don't want to keep seeing these pictures be posted. The pictures are posted of this documentary of this school coming down. Things, everybody's got different points and viewpoints of things that happen around seeing a school come down. It is hard on some people. Not everybody has a close connection with the building, except those who went through the school like a long time ago. I'm trying to bring that part, the roof part, down. No lock on that one. I also capture other places besides schools coming down. So, yeah, I enjoy it. It's something to keep me busy. I talked to another couple that are my subscribers. The wife enjoys me uploading these videos to the YouTube channel, so that way they can see what's going on when they're not available to get out of the house at a certain day and stuff like that. If you have a smart TV, you should also have YouTube. Go to my YouTube channel and you can watch it in a bigger version. If we miss anything and come back, that's because we were taking care of other stuff. I am also keeping my eyes on a Washington elementary school that, like I said in the previous videos, that's also coming down. But it's the city that's bringing it down, not a company. Because they're working with Habitat for Humanity, and they're going to build houses in place of that school property. So that'll come down, not sure when, but I'll bring it to you guys when it comes down. And if this comes down at the same time, which it would, I will jump to that school. It's only 2 stories, so it's not that big. It's a small school, so it won't take long to come down. So these things interest me for some reason. I like doing it. Documenting. Try to keep my hand warm. Getting closer. Move my legs around so they're not stiff. My lower back is stiff standing, but I can't do nothing about it because I'm sitting here doing this dedication for you, my viewers / subscribers. I'm afraid we will leave for a little bit to eat lunch, that it'll already be halfway into that area right there, and that part will be missing too. Yeah, I know we can't document everything. That's why every time you see this, it's always in a different spot of demolition. We never guarantee our parking spot when we leave and come back, because somebody will take care of that too. Probably give it to like 20 minutes and something, and then take a break and come back later after we get done eating lunch, and then you'll know where it is with video number 15. When it gets to 20 minutes, I'm going to take a break and come back to it. Take a break and come back later and see where they're at with the lunch break. I'm just trying to see if they get this thing down. So they're moving stuff from the roof, etc., so they can work their way towards almost the middle of the building, the elementary school. That's what they're still working on. The middle school is pretty far. It's right where that building in the background is. That's where middle school starts. They did have the elementary part on, but not no more. Yep, like I said, when you see different videos, that's why I put them in order, so that way we come back and they're further away, and they're further up where they were. That's why I just continue it from where they left off, and where we took off and came back. So if anything changes like that, that's why. Excavator just got a different part put on the front of their excavator. I'm gonna leave after this comes down. This roof comes down, and I want to leave. Stop it. I'm trying to wait for this roof to come down. If I go and it comes down, it's not being recorded. So as soon as this comes down, come on, bring it down, dude. So that way I can leave, take a lunch break myself. Come on, worry about that later. Get this roof down so I can take a break. Last time I ate was breakfast. My fault. Breakfast time is the last time I had something to eat. We're doing taking a break. We're just changing positions. Walking over, running over stuff. Appreciate that guy right there in that truck. He gave me the boss's card. I'm gonna get on that when I get home and at night and send the boss an email. So yeah, come on, man, you're procrastinating. Let's get this roof down so I can stop this video and take my lunch break. What are you doing with those bricks? There you go. There you go. All the bricks on this side so everybody can come get the bricks that they want. They had titled 3 bricks to per person. So there's enough bricks to go around in this building. Come on, dude. I'm trying to watch this roof come down. Anticipation. Anticipation is making me wait. Really, dude? Come on. Yeah. Where things are too. I think that's how the song goes. Making me wait. Oh my word. You know what? I'm gonna stop it here. We'll see you for video 15, I believe. Until then, let's see if finishes this first. Getting this down before I start the video. If I walk away, he's gonna bring it down, and it's not being recorded. It is windy as heck today, people. You can hear it. You can hear it by the microphone. Let's go. Bring it down so I can go on my lunch break. You got it. Move up more. Jeez. Anticipation is done. I'm gonna take my break now. I'll see you later in the next video. Video 14, 15. Hold on. Thanks for the pictures. Alright, we're gonna go see you at video 15.